let's make a video version of our standard trope graphic, just to be a little bit different. So this is a video, it's got a background that's moving, and it's only about 20 seconds long, and it pulls all your tropes in. Let's see how we make it. Go to the Canva homepage, create, and we're going to use an Instagram reel. There we go. I'm actually going to use a template that I've got. This is an Instagram Reels template where I've marked out the safe area. So whatever is in this green bit is what will show up on your grid when Instagram crops the top and bottom off to fit it in your grid. It just means that if you've got important text, put it in the middle. If you want a copy of this template, just sign up for the newsletter. The link is in the description. Righty-ho. So first of all, we're going to get all our bits together. So let's just open a page here so that we can put things in. I'm going to find my book cover. And then we are going to look for elements, and we're going to look for seaside, because my book is set by the sea. If your book is set somewhere else, you can use that. Also, you could use a sort of atmospheric background. I'm going to go look in my recently used. There we go. That's the one that I liked. And I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to set video as background. Now, this is lovely with the kid, but I wanted the parasol. So let's double click and move it so that we've got the parasol in the view and not the kid. There we go. Now, if you look, you can still see the grid lines. These grid lines, when you save your design, they won't show up because this is a new page. Right. Now, the trouble is when you've got your book here in the middle, there's a lot of noise because it's quite a colorful background. So what we're going to do is we're going to search for glass effect, and we're going to look at the graphics. Now, there's a lot of different effects. Some of them are very cool. Most of them are Canva Pro. If you are only looking for free ones, you can filter it like this if you have Pro, right? If you're only looking for free ones, you're a bit more limited. If you want to try Canva Pro for free for 30 days, there is a link in the description for a free trial. Right. This was the one that I found, which was free. And it's quite a subtle glass effect. It's just like a little sheen. So I'm going to turn it at 90 degrees. And then I'm going to get it to fill almost all of this. There we go. And then I'm going to duplicate it and put it right on top again. And if you want to, you can duplicate it again to make it a little bit stronger. Now what we need to do is we need to go to layers, show layers, and we need to move the book to the top. Or you could just move the glass to the bottom, I suppose. Okay, so now you can see the book a little bit better. Duplicate it again. Position, there we go. Okay, so you've got this kind of glass effect with your book in front. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our text. So I'm going to write out all my little trope things, and I will be back in a minute. Now I have added all of my tropes, and now I've made sure they're sitting on top of the glass effect. And then I'm going to go and add an effect to make it pop a little bit. So lift, so it makes it a little bit darker and behind it. And then I'm going to animate it. So there are lots of different ways to animate text, but the one I'm going to use is succession, where it slowly comes into view. If you have Pro, you can change the speed. We're not going to bother right now. Okay. So what I've done is I've gone through and I've copied the style and pasted the style like that. One of the other things I did was to change the line spacing so that it said 1.15 rather than 1.4 because that looks too wide. So now what I've got is I've got a whole stack of these things. If you look at the bottom line here, you've got a stack of these things. Now I want them to come up at slightly different intervals, right? This video is 14.7 seconds long, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things, 6 pieces of text to come along. So let's move them around a bit. Actually, let's move this further this way so you can read it. Just check they're all in the sort of, they're all readable. Okay. So Office Romance is the first one. So the next one has got to be, make it plot twist because it's in a different place. So we're going to move this along a bit so that it overlaps. And then we're going to move this one along. Oh, we're going to click on force proximity, move that along a bit so that it overlaps by like maybe a second or two. Move this guy along a bit. This guy. So what you should end up with is about, now these are all, I've changed, you can change the length of time these things are visible. And I've changed them all so that they are only on screen for about 3 seconds, give or take a second. So now when you run it, they all come in at different times. Which makes it interesting because there's a lot of movement. If you're new here, this is Canva Tips for Authors. I'm Jeevani Charika or Rhoda Baxter, and I taught myself how to use Canva because I had to. Now I'm passing the knowledge on to you. If you would like to talk to other authors about how to use Canva, come join the Facebook group. The link is in the description. Okay, right. So now we've got quite a nice little trope graphic, quite a nice little reel, which starts off and within 1 second some stuff starts popping up. And they move relatively quickly, so hopefully people won't get bored because you've only got about 2 seconds to get people's attention. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add another page. And then select, if we go to position, we can select the bits that we want to keep. We want to keep the background, we want to keep all of these glass effects, and we want to keep the book. Right, we're going to paste all of that. And the background didn't come with, so let's just select that, copy, paste. Okay. We want this to be 5 seconds long so that the whole thing is about 20 seconds. That works. Okay, and we're going to make this bigger. Move it up a bit. And then we're going to click buy now. There's loads of options and we are going to look for free ones with a little bit of animation. That one. There. Okay. And now let's preview it, see what it looks like. Kind of reminds me of my eyesight test, but there you go. The visual field test. Right. Okay, so that's a really simple way to just mix up your trope graphics if you want to turn one into a reel. If you wanted to turn this into a static image, you could easily just you could do that too. So you go to here. Now with Canva, in the same document, you can have different types of file format. So let's go to here, we'll go to social media, and we'll go for Instagram story, which is a slightly different size and shape, but not that different. Let's go to here, go to position, copy everything. So you can have these guys, and you can move everything into one big stack just by moving them so that they're all in the same place. You can move it all into one big stack again. And let's copy that background image again. So copy, paste. And move everything down to 5 seconds. There's a little gap here, so let's move these all so that they start at the same time. And then we're going to remove remove animation. Animate, remove animation. There we go. They've all had their animation removed. And then you could just save that, which is exactly the same design. And you could download that. Instead of downloading it as an MP3, you download it as a JPEG. And you only download that last page. That will give you a static Instagram post of the same kind. Now, why do you need that? It just means you can mix it up. Now, most people will remember the picture, but not the words. So what you can do is you can just swap the background out, have the same picture. So you have the same video, just pick the background image, delete it, and put a different background image. And then you've got essentially a whole new video. So video as background. And now you've got a whole new video with exactly the same words on it. If you found this useful, tell all your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.